The Spectral Repair module brings graphic user control to the task of identifying undesirable components of a complex audio signal and removing them. In previous versions of RX, this kind of processing was only available in the standalone version. But RX9 added a plug-in version of the Spectral Repair module called Spectral Editor. It's only available in Logic Pro and uses the ARA protocol developed by Solemnity and Presonus to pass audio between the DAW and the plugin, which allows for the kind of graphic access needed for spectral editing. The Spectral Editor plugin includes the same user-editable spectrogram display as the standalone module. Two of the Spectral Repair module's 4 modes are included: Attenuate and Replace. The plugin seems to do an excellent job on the audio I tested it with. Just as in the standalone version, you select the unwanted audio with your preferred selection tool and hit the Process button. A click on the tab at the lower right opens a control panel. If necessary, the processing can be tweaked with the available controls, which are some of the same controls as in the standalone module. There's a strength slider, which sets the degree of attenuation of the selected material to be removed. The region slider determines how much of the audio surrounding your selections will be used for interpolation to fill in the processed area where the offending sound was attenuated or removed. Depending upon what the audio is doing, you could tweak this to make sure a suitable amount of surrounding audio is used without catching any unsuitable sound. And the weight slider weights this process to more heavily depend on the area of the wave either before or after the selected section. Again, you could tweak this to favor the most appropriate portion of the surrounding audio, possibly improving the resulting sound. The direction arrows choose where the material that's used to interpolate the removed audio is drawn from: above, below, left, or right of the selection. The strength and direction controls are only available in Attenuate mode. In my tests, the process worked best most of the time with the default settings, but for more problematic audiophiles, a little experimentation may help to get the best results. Next up, I'll move on to a related spectral processor, the Deconstruct module.